You want to know how to fix TikTok comments not showing problem, you've come to the right place. So let's open our TikTok and I will show you all the ways of how can we find comments. Firstly, if you want to find your comments under your videos, you need to click on inbox in the bottom of the screen. Here we need to go to activities. We have the bell icon right up here. And then in the top of the screen, just simply click on all activities and click on comments. So you'll be able to find all the comments you can easily view under your video. So in order to find the comments on the someone's video, we need to open it. For example, here on our recommendation line, we can just simply click on comments in the right side on this icon under the likes, and we'll open all the comments from these videos. Sometimes they could be closed as the author turned them off, so you won't find something inside here. And what if we don't have the option to maybe find them, to see them? Sometimes it depends on your internet connection, so make sure that you have the good one. But the other problem we can easily fix is just to simply go to our profile, click on more in the right top corner. It's the way of how can we fix if we don't even see any comments at all. So click on settings and privacy right up here, and then just scroll down to find basically report a problem option. So after that, we need to click on the necessary topic. So we need to click on follow, likes, and comments. And here just simply click on comment, and then as you can see we have some topics: commenting too fast, changing comment settings, unable to post comment, unable to load comments. So here we need to click on unable to load comments. And after that, we'll find the ways of how can we fix it, like switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear the app video cache, restart the app and your device, make sure you're running the latest version, and please check did you follow all the advices here. If didn't help, so we need to click on no, and then just click on need more help right up here. And then we need to explain our problem. For example, I can't see comments. And then just click on submit. So in a few seconds, the TikTok support team will probably receive our message and they will help us, and they will fix it from themselves. So after that, they will basically make everything good, or they will send us the instruction of how can we do this. So these are the ways of how can we fix TikTok comments not showing problem. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.